Hello, welcome to week 6. This week we are looking at the British coastline for inspiration. So you might want to have a look at the work of Turner, the skies, and Joan Erdley, who was a Scottish landscape artist, for her coastal scenes. They're really beautiful, very expressive, and very interesting to look at. So what you're going to need today is charcoal, and I've got various pieces and sizes. You'll need a plastic eraser and a putty rubber and a big sheet of A3, which I've got taped to the wall behind me. We're going to be working from, well, I was lucky enough to go to the coast at the weekend, so I've got some drawings in my sketchbook here. And if you haven't been to the coast recently, then there's lots of photos on the handout, or you can work from photos that you've taken previously. That's absolutely fine. So I'm going to make a start and get some marks down straight away on your paper. So I'm going to cover a lot of my page with grey to start with. And it always works better, I think, to have the horizon line slightly lower down or higher up on the page. Try not to sort of avoid having it right in the centre. It's just a bit more pleasing to the eye. So my horizon line is in this lower section here. So I'm going to have a lot of sky. Now the sky was really heavy with rain at the weekend, so I'm going to add in some rain clouds. And you can use your hand to smudge, which I quite like doing, or you can use some tissue. And I'm trying to get the feel of the wind. It's quite windy. And it was quite cold. So I'm going to use some horizontal lines to get the light and reflection on the sea. And I'm going to use curved, softer lines for the clouds. And if you've got rocks, you can mark those in. So if any things in the foreground, keep your marks really bold and strong. I'm going to work into these with a plastic eraser. So these sort of come into the foreground, and then the horizon line, anything on the horizon you can make softer just to emphasize that distance. Okay, so I'm going to continue working on this and send you a speeded up version of the finished piece. So what we're doing is doing this drawing today because the week after next we are going to be doing some experiments with palette knife painting and using our coastal drawing as a starting point. So this leads into the next lesson. Okay, hope you enjoy it.